Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape. We're talking about the generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019, guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where the trunk fuses are located. You will guys have multiple fuses in different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So now we'll demonstrate, guys, okay, here on that generation Ford Escape where you can expect to find the trunk fuses. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. Fuse boxes are very much the same with some minor differences, but we'll talk about those. You have 3 different fuse boxes, guys, and today we'll work actually in 2. The first fuse box that we need is in the trunk. Open the trunk on the right side, you have a cover, guys, okay, right here. Go ahead, open that cover, and behind that cover you'll find a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. You wonder where these fuses are? Okay, we start with fuse number 1. That 5M fuse right here will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 25. This is that fuse right here. Some ears may have different amperage, so that could be the difference. Another thing, then you need to go to the inside, open the passenger door. Once you open the passenger door, guys, okay, under the glove box, all the way underneath, look upside down above, okay, under the dash, you will see one carpet, that soft carpet piece that attaches with 2 round things. Unscrew them, and there you will find the interior fuse box that will look like this one. Here we'll need to check 2 fuses specifically, guys. You wonder which one? Well, the first one is known as fuse number 65, that 10M fuse here, and the other one is fuse number, that's 823484, guys, right here. The fuse number is on the top right corner next to the fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.